bolt-on for Ram 1500. It's the 734 Demon. Let's start opening it up and see what we got. Lots of good stuff in here. Got the horns, the coil for the on-air system, wiring, brackets, the nice air tubes, more hardware and everything, all the good pieces that go in the air tank. There's the compressor, and I'm guessing down there's the brackets that bolt on to the frame, and I'm guessing this is the air tank. But right there's the horns, so I'll get everything laid out and ready to start installing. Alright, finally got my install done of the Ram 1500 734. Put it on my blue Dodge Ram Rebel. Alright, we'll start off since I already got the engine open. Yeah, there's the inline fuse. I have another inline fuse, that green one right there, for my switches. I upgraded switches from the push button that came with the kit. Right there's the intake for the air compressor, the relay, and my onboard air suspension, or air. Then I put all the wires down, straight down to the whole setup of the air compressor and everything. Everything's nice that it just mounts on. Of course, I ran the wires through the firewall. There's a spot that you can just drill through. Alright, let's show you the air horns. Try not to make you too dizzy. Alright, there's the air compressor on the mount. One of the small horns, the other small horn. Here's the big horn. Got all my tubing. The solenoid. And more air tubing for different things. You know, you got it for going to each horn, and then to the onboard air. Up here, there's where all the wires come down to the air compressor. I tried to zip tie as much as I could out of the way. You know, you got the loom for the power wires and everything. I grounded most of the stuff right here, other than, of course, the relay. You know, it sounds nice. I'll have to get a video a little later, not in my edition, to show you how it sounds. We'll go inside and I'll show you the switches. Yeah, everything's nice up underneath the dash. Right there's my switches. You know, as you can tell, I messed up with the Dremel a little bit, cutting the holes. But yeah, that's my install. So far I like it. I haven't really tested it a whole lot, but I will do a video for you guys maybe later today. But like I said, it sounds good. I think I got everything.